Silos are a way of grouping closely related pages into distinct categories or sections on your website. If you build a website this way, you will rank for a lot more phrases than you otherwise would. Silos are perhaps the most logical way to organize pages on a website. This is not something unique to websites. Even pages within most books are organized this way. For instance, consider a book on world history that has the following chapters. Within each chapter, you have the following pages. Now, this seems like a logical organization of topics. If you want to read about George Washington or the Declaration of Independence, you will know you need to go to the chapter on American War of Independence. If you want to read about Mahatma Gandhi, you know you should go to the chapter on India's struggle for freedom. You know where to look for relevant information because the book is organized in a way that is logically consistent. If, on the other hand, this was how the book was organized, you most certainly will not even try to make sense of what the book is about. Even if the individual pages are brilliantly written, you still may not want to use the book because searching for anything within the book is really hard. And just looking at all the disjointed topics makes you feel very unpleasant about the book. It has no chapters and pages are scattered all over the book without even a semblance of order of any kind. It's all jumbled up. In this second example, all the pages are still there, but it's really hard to know what the book is about. And searching for topics is a nightmare. You certainly would not consider such a book a resource you can depend on when you need information. This is exactly how search engines too feel if your website is disorganized. When you have a website in which pages are scattered all over with no semblance of order, search engines cannot get to know what the site is about. The result, they will not rank the pages of the site high in the SERPs or search engine results pages, and your disorganized website will not rank as highly as it should, though you might have really good content. This is why you want to organize the topics on your website within distinct silos or categories, just like you would want to see pages within a book grouped into distinct categories or chapters. For instance, suppose you are building a site about golf. You would want to organize the site's pages into distinct categories like golf balls, golf bags, and so on. You would want to think of each category or silo as a chapter in a book. The category golf balls would have pages only about golf balls. You do not want to discuss anything about golf courses or golf shirts or anything else here. You are organizing pages this way to maximize the ranking power of every single page in the category. Every single page in the category golf balls will be only about golf balls and nothing else. Putting even one unrelated page about anything other than golf balls in this category will dilute the ranking power of every page in the category. Would you put an article about the Battle of Berlin in a chapter discussing the fall of the Inca Empire? You most certainly wouldn't. Similarly, every page in the category golf bags will be only about golf bags and nothing else. If you put even a single page within this category that is not about golf bags, then every page in the category will suffer. They will not rank as well as they otherwise would. Silos help every page on your website rank better if they are implemented the right way. That's how important silos are.